pretty girls? It's Taylor. Pretty girl slut. If you know it, hit the subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl, hey. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm about to take you out to Michael's. I'm going to show you all how to start your bracelet and jewelry business for less than $100 at Michael's. Okay guys, so we're going to go over to Michael's. I'm going to show you all everything that you can pick up to start your business. Guys, starting a bracelet business is not hard at all and is very, very profitable. Of course, people go to places like Amazon and Chinese vendors, but I'm going to show you all how to start your bracelet business today, right now, by going to your local Michael's. Of course, you could also go to Hobby Lobby. I don't have a Hobby Lobby close to me, so we're going to go over to Michael's, so catch me there. Okay, so we are here. So I want to just say Michael's is not going to be your cheapest option, but it definitely will get you started in your business. So the beads and everything are usually in these first middle aisles, so automatically when I first walk in, this is what we see. So of course they have some of these beads where you can make names, custom names. They have so many different options for you. So many different options. Like I said, this is not going to be the cheapest option, but it's going to be the fastest option to get you and your business started. So they have some of those kind of beads. And then it's 550 pieces in here. And give or take, each bracelet is about 20 beads. So you can make a good amount of beads just from this, and you're only spending $5. I've used these before. Super, super cute. Then they also have some of these, and of course these are 12 mm. I love the bigger beads. To me, 10 mm is the best. So they have tons of these little pre-made kits, and it comes with 1,000 pieces. They also have clay beads, so you have tons. Those as well, and these are always good. And also too, they have bead boxes, so if you want to put your bracelets in some bead boxes, they have those as well. Bracelet boxes, I mean, super cute. Over here, if you want to do handmade, so they have resin. This is for the girls who want to, oops. So these are for the girls who want to make their own custom items. You can reuse these. They have a heart, an Eiffel Tower, butterfly. Very cute. You can use these for earrings. And they also have all of the supplies that you would need. It's super quiet in here. So let's keep walking. So if you want to display your jewelry, they have a jewelry display right here. This is a cute one. It spins. On display necklaces, more jewelry displays. A lot of people always ask where do I get my items from. Honestly, some of my jewelry displays did come from Michael's. It can hold bracelets and things like that. This is what I have, a variation of this. Get this from Michael's, and I don't know how much it is though. I'm not really seeing a price on here, but it's probably definitely expensive. So this is all of like the jewelry holders and stuff. So now we're gonna come to the other side of the aisle, and as you all can see, they have different charms. Like I said, this is not something that you would come to. It's not a place that you would come to all the time. I do have charm vendors linked in my bio, but this is just a place to get you started. You can also get these and just add your own charms. Super, super cute. We also have some charms down here. And then we have the seed beads. People use these beads to make waist beads. So now we're in the string bead section. This is by far everyone's favorite section. And I want to show you all another section where you can find beads for cheaper. So they have tons of different colors, styles. Again, this is just to get you started. I do have a vendors list on my website, but these would just get you started on the right path. You can also practice with these. Yeah, I'm dropping stuff. So they have tons of different varieties. And they're also buy one, get one 50% off until May 25th. But by the time y'all see this, it'll be June. But they have so many different options. Evil Eye. And these are just single strands. These are huge. Kind of look like what I got on a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to the last part of the store that has a lot of jewelry and crafting items. So we're going to walk over now to where it's just like the kids section, but to be honest, they have like more beads and stuff like that as well. So we're going to go over to that section now. Okay, and now we are here. So as y'all can see, you have like a lot of pony beads in that section. So I don't know if y'all remember, I did the neon glow in the dark beads. I got them from here. As y'all can see, they are $4.49. Way more beads. A lot of cute, trendy beads as well. And they also have some kits. Tons of beads at the bottom. They also have this kit. Most of these are pony beads, but that's okay. You can also make jewelry with those. You have stuff to make friendship bracelets. I don't know if y'all are Taylor Swift fans, but you can make friendship bracelets to pass out at concerts. These are also seed beads. This is a kit. Bead sample pack. Super, super cute. So if you want to just practice before you actually buy real vendors, come here to Michael's. Like I said, they have so many options. And all of these are charms. OMG, y'all. Look at those. So cute. And you can start your bracelet business literally with about $100 here. Super cute. And I don't know, people don't really come to this section a lot. This section is kind of like a hidden gem. I think down here are just like the water beads and stuff. So these are all the bracelet making beads. And as y'all can see, this pack comes with different sizes and it's $7.99. This would be also super cute and fun. Number beads. Wooden beads. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to wrap up the video now. If you found this video helpful, leave down some purple hearts. Make sure you subscribe. I want to just show you all that you can start your bracelet business today by going over to your local Michael's and or Hobby Lobby. So if you want more videos like this, definitely let me know. Sorry, I had to get another thumbnail. definitely let me know in the comments what store do you want me to visit next. Should I do Hobby Lobby? Should I do, I don't know any other craft stores, guys, so let me know in the comments down below.